Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up parental control on Samsung Galaxy A50. So you have to start by opening your settings application and then scroll down and click on Google. Now click on Children and Family and then click on Parental Controls and click on Get Started. Then click on Child or Teenager and click Next. Now click on Other, create account for your child. And now you have to enter your child email address. And then click Next. Now you have to enter your child password. And then click I agree. Now click on Accept. And then click on your account. And here you have to enter your parent email address. Then click Next. And now you have to enter your parent password. And here you have to scroll all the way down, and here you have to enter your child password again. Now click Next. And here you have to scroll down and click Next. Now click Next again. And here you can click Install Family Link, or you can click Skip and then skip again. And now click on Review Controls. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.